Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am traveling to a place which is also known as a heritage city of palaces or cultural capital of Karnataka. You guessed it right. Today I am at Mysore. Before I move forward, I would request everyone to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest travel update. Good morning. It's 11 in the morning and I'm heading towards Mysore Palace, which is one of the iconic palaces of India. This palace is officially residency of Wadiyar royal family and it is located in the center of Mysore.
아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to yet another vlog. Right now in front of the famous palace called Mysore Palace. This palace was built for the first time in 14th century. It was demolished and reconstructed multiple times. The structure which you see is built in between 1897 and old palace was burned blaze. This palace is one of the most sought out tourist attraction in India after Taj Mahal with more than 10 million annual visitors. The entire structure of Mysore Palace is a blend of Hindu, Mughal and Gothic style, and it is a 3-layer stone structure with marble domes. The must-watch thing in the palace including main entrance, lighting, gold and silver work roof, artworks and audience hall. All I can say is visit this palace at least once in our lifetime. And this is the official residency of Wadiyar royal family, the royal palace, and this is actually located in middle of Mysore city. So without wasting any time, let's explore. मैं पैलेस के अंदर आ चुकी हूँ और मेरे साथ है गाइड मूर्ति. सो मूर्ति मुझे दिखाने वाले हैं पूरे पैलेस को.
बड़ा राजा का सोने का पालकी अंबारी बोलते जंबू सवारी सर पूरा
दिस
वजन
इज
750
गोल्ड.
किलो
ये गोल्ड का है.
मेरा गोल्ड का है ये पूरा वजन 750 kg, 80 kg gold है.
80 kg gold और 750
750 total weight, 80
total
kg
weight.
of gold.
Okay.
एक्चुअली लकड़ी से बने, उसके ऊपर 80 kg सोने का पत्रा लगा है. तो इसको अभी भी और दशहरा के दिन आरती कर के शोभा यात्रा में निकालता है. पहला इसमें महाराजा बैठ के जाता था. अभी भगवान की मूर्ति चामुंडेश्वरी देवी को बिठा के ले शोभा यात्रा निकलता है इसमें.
This is the one of the view from Dashara,
फ्रॉम दशहरा 1930.
जो बहुत ही फेमस है इंडिया में, मैसूर का दशहरा. तो उसका
दशहरा 411 साल पुराना है.
411 साल पुराना दशहरा है.
1610 में शुरू किया, आजकल तक निकलता है इसमें.
1610 में इसको शुरू किया गया था और आज तक ये होता है. हर दशहरे में यहाँ पे ये एक वर्ल्ड फेमस फेस्टिवल होता है मैसूर का.
10 days festival.
10 days festival.
9 days of the year for Navaratri in front of the palace they make big stage, they conduct different cultural program.
Okay.
10th day, last day, very big beautiful procession start from here in front of the palace.
Okay.
5-6 kilometer goes to city and come back.
Okay.
The last year means 2019, 10 lakhs people were the procession on the street.
Okay.
The Mysore festivals are very big festival in India. The September or October in between different days depend upon calendar. And when before big procession goes to city, they conduct sacrifice to goddess Chamundeswari. They have conducted a wrestling here.
Here.
Wrestling, they put sand on this.
Okay.
4 person do the wrestling. So any person.
This is the wrestling
yes,
place.
Yes, this is the wrestling place. Any person at least 1 drop of blood should come out from the wrestler's head. Then wrestling start. Take the blood, put it at Chamundeswari head, and then procession activities start. And King's family watch from top, madam.
Okay, the King's
Watch
family
from the
used to
king,
watch
they
from the
make,
top.
yes.
Still now it's
Still it's going on, madam.
oh, it's going on.
It's going on. They make big stage here.
Okay.
Big stage here. King will new king. Shri Yaduvira Krishnadatta Vadaya.
Who is the new king?
New king Yaduvira Krishnadatta Chamaraja Vadaya.
Okay, where he is staying right now?
Madam, on the top, madam, behind this palace.
Behind of this palace, they have a residence.
Residence. They have residence. King's family still staying there.
Still staying there.
Still staying here.
Okay, that's great. Wow, just beautiful. You can see the construction, that marble, the gold water polish, just eye-soothing.
This is the marriage hall of Maharaja family.
This is the marriage hall of Maharaja family.
Just 5 years back, new Maharaja got married here with Rajasthan princess.
Yeah.
3 years back, he got baby boy.
Oh, baby boy.
Baby boy, madam. All this doorway to Maharaja family residence. They have a residence, madam. Still staying there. Look at the stained glass, beautiful glass, peacock design from Glasgow, Scotland. Chandelier, Belgium. These are the fans from England.
Fans from England.
Madam, you can see the blades are twisted. It will give fast air from England. 109 years old, still working condition. These are the pillars, madam. Looks like a wood, but not wood. Cast iron with gold leaf.
Gold leaf.
Madam, before they allow to people inside, people can touch and scratch the gold leaf. That's why recently painted from gold, original gold. And then put this.
Okay, okay.
This is a marriage hall, function hall, or big hall in the palace.
One. Information I'm getting from guide, it's really very interesting. This palace is very old. It's more than 100 years old, and I'm so excited to know more about this palace. So let's go. Please tell me.
This is the card festival of Chamundeshwari.
Chamundeshwari. This is the Chamund.
Yeah, this is the Chamundeshwari card festival
Okay.
at Chamundi Hill.
Chamundi Hill, yeah.
After Dasara fifth day,
Uh-huh.
king goes to Chamundi Hill, pull the chariot.
Okay.
Chamundeshwari is the family deity of the king.
Okay. So how old is this temple?
A temple 700 years old.
700 years old.
700 years old. Inside the temple, that place called Sanctum Sanctorum,
Okay.
that is 2031 years old.
Okay.
So before 10 years Christ.
So still the royal family is following all the
They
rituals
follow
and
the
rules,
same
right?
tradition. Yes, yes.
Still they are following.
Still they are following golden tradition.
Yeah.
You are believe or not, this is the first lift in South India.
This is the
AC
first
lift.
lift in South India. Really interesting. This thing.
madam.
See.
AC
this is-
lift. AC means not air conditioner, alternate current. AC
Okay.
and DC,
Uh-huh.
still it is working condition.
So guys, this is the first lift in South India, which is inside of this palace.
Look at the ceiling, madam. Nice carving, wonderful carving. Teak wood from Burma, by hand carving. Those are dressing table. Dressing table, madam.
These dressing tables are
Dressing
109
table,
years
9
old.
old. Those are small chairs made of crystal. You can see the legs, madam. These two made of silver. This is a real ivory frame photo. You can see the elephant on the painting picture. Name of the elephant Gajendra. 21 years, same like this, carry the 750 kgs of golden powder. 1974, elephant natural death. After death of the elephant, they took same elephant tusk, make frame photo for that
Memory of that
same
elephant.
Now we saw the three-dimensional paintings. You can see the carving also 3D. You can see the depth inside.
Okay,
You can see
yeah,
the
yeah,
carving
yeah, yeah.
3-dimensional done in 100 years by local artists. In part of Karnataka, that place called Shivamogga district. That place
Shimoga,
called
Shimoga district. Yeah, yeah. Tell me one thing. It was a wooden palace.
Wooden palace built in 1804.
Uh-huh.
1897, entire palace which was burned down in fire.
Burned down in fire.
Wedding during ceremony, during wedding ceremony,
Okay.
negligence of the kitchen.
Okay.
Then reconstructed this palace 1912.
1912.
15 years to build the palace. Cost of the expenditure 42 lakhs rupees at those days.
Okay.
This designed by Henry Irwin from England.
Okay.
That whole palace are purely Hindu architect built by Buddha. In this palace,
So this is 3-layer construction, and this is inspired with the Hindu, Muslim, and the Gothic style.
the Christian style, Indo-Sarsanic style. This palace built from Indo.
So what is this? What is this in?
This is the Italian marble for red carpet clips.
Okay, red
For
carpet
red
clips.
carpet clips.
These are the red carpet clips, which is they use for the special days, and these all are the marbles. में सब बता रहे थे, बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया। थैंक यू सो मच मूर्ति।
थैंक यू।
एंड कितने साल से आप यहाँ पे काम करते हो?
15 साल से।
15 years से। यू आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब
थैंक यू मैडम।
एंड यू आर सर्विंग फॉर रॉयल फैमिली स्टिल, राइट?
यस।
या ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
सो गाइज, अभी तक मूर्ति हमारे साथ थे, उन्होंने बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया। मैं 4 या 5 बार विजिट कर चुकी हूँ, लेकिन मैंने कभी भी गाइड हायर नहीं किया था, और जिस टाइम मैंने गाइड हायर किया, रियली इट्स वेरी बेनिफिशियल, बिकॉज इतनी सारी चीज़ें मुझे जानने को मिली जो मुझे आज तक नहीं पता था। एंड समहाउ अभी तक हम जो पैलेस देख रहे थे वो नया पैलेस था। जैसे कि उन्होंने बताया कि आग लग जाने के बाद उन्होंने एक नया पैलेस बनाया जो 109 साल पुराना है। एंड दिस इज़ द वे फॉर द ओल्ड पैलेस। स्टिल वहाँ पे रॉयल फैमिली स्टे करती है, बट समहाउ वहाँ पे रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू गो इनसाइड। इट्स नॉट अलाउड बिकॉज ऑफ रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन। सो ओके।
I sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 나나 봐 Sound really fine 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 너봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey hey yeah yeah I can't control 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야 Still believe fine hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you baby yeah, yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아
What is this? Bangle.
देखो देखने का पैसा नहीं दिखते जो सेपरेट में देंगे।
क्या नाम है आपका?
अयूब है।
हाँ?
अयूब।
अयूब। और कितने साल से यहाँ पे आप सेल करते हो ये?
हो गया 10 साल।
10 साल से काम करते हो? So कितने में ये दोगे?
150।
How much? 150 rupees. And what all you have?
ये देखिए गले का।
What's your name? I forget. Ayub, right? तो अगर आप मैसूर पैलेस आते हो तो आपको यहाँ आयूब मिल जाएंगे। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग लाइक आपको नेकलेस चाहिए या फिर बैंगल्स चाहिए, यू विल गेट इट। थैंक यू सो मच।
कॉइन, गोल्ड कॉइन।
सो दीज आर द गोल्ड कॉइन। गोल्ड कॉइन? नो नो। वाओ, इंटरेस्टिंग। एंड व्हाट इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस?
600 फुल सेट।
Full set 600 rupees.
12 coins. 12 coins. और different coins.
These all are interesting things जो आपको पैलेस के बाहर में मिल जाएगा। और भैया आपके पास क्या है?
फैन है मेरे।
फैन। So this is what? Sandalwood?
No, sandal removed this.
Sorry?
Not a pure sandal.
Not pure sandal. And what is the cost for this?
Just 100 minutes.
100 rupees. Beautiful fan. You will get in 100 rupees in Mysore, in front of the Mysore Palace. Your name?
Salim.
Salim. You get so many things. Really interesting. See, इनके पास क्या क्या है? ये horse.
Ball pen, horse, rope.
These all are wooden things.
Pen, ball pens.
Ball pen. See.
non-stick set
Visitors are
or
requested
pens or
All wooden things, right? Thank you.
between 10 a.m.